Hi, I'm Annie with ByAnnie.com and Patterns by Annie. I cannot wait to tell you about our pattern Out to Lunch 2.0, which includes instructions for compact yet roomy bags in 2 sizes. These stylish bags open from side to side, giving full access to a spacious interior. Panels on each side prevent contents from spilling out when the zipper is fully open, and multiple pockets inside and out make organization easy. They are perfect for carrying lunch to work or school, or they make a great small purse for running around town. Out to Lunch 2.0 is constructed of fabric stabilized with Soft and Stable, so the bags have great body and stability and really stand up and hold their shape. The Soft and Stable also provides insulation if you're using the bag to carry lunch. Slip pockets on the exterior front and back are perfect for quick access to a phone, keys, shopping list, and more. Inside are additional pockets. On one side is a slip pocket made of mesh which is divided into 2 sections. It's perfect for an ice pack, utensils, napkins, condiments, or personal items. On the other side is a full-height zippered pocket also made of mesh for larger items. Out to Lunch 2.0 has sturdy handles on the front and back for easy carrying. Triangle rings attached to each handle may be used to attach an adjustable strap for hands-free carrying. Check out our free carrying strap and pad pattern if you'd like to make a strap for your bag. We'd recommend making the 1-inch strap. You or someone you love is sure to appreciate these versatile and stylish bags. Chloe carries her lunch to work every day and really needed a new lunch bag. Of course, she wanted to make one, so she took a look at existing By Annie patterns. She loved the design of Out to Lunch, but really wanted something larger. So, we updated the pattern and added a larger size. The small is perfect for a light lunch, but the large will hold bigger containers as well as her water bottle. If you don't need a lunch bag, either size of Out to Lunch 2.0 would make a great small purse. They'd be perfect for running around town or even a night out. Parents will appreciate a large Out to Lunch 2.0 to use as a small diaper bag. It's perfect for taking baby out to lunch. The inner mesh pockets will hold a couple of diapers, wipes, a change of clothes, and there's still room for a bottle, book, and more. The ability to open the bag and see everything inside also makes either Out to Lunch bag perfect for carrying a project in process. There are so many ways to use these handy bags, so choose fabrics and a size to suit your needs. The Out to Lunch 2.0 pattern includes step-by-step instructions to make these professionally finished bags in both sizes, and is an update of the original Out to Lunch pattern, which was first released in 2016. In addition to improving the illustrations, we added a second size, updated the instructions to make assembly easier, improved the process of attaching the side panels to each side, and added hardware to the handles, which gives the option of attaching a carrying strap. You will love this new version. We also filmed an add-on video to help you with the more unique or challenging aspects of the pattern. You'll find bullets in the pattern indicating steps that are covered. Note that if you are working with the original Out to Lunch pattern, these videos will be helpful for that too. Ask for Out to Lunch 2.0 at your local quilt shop or find it at ByAnnie.com. If you have more questions, be sure to watch the A Closer Look video, which gives more info about gathering supplies and customizing the project. You are sure to love these roomy, easy-to-access bags for carrying lunch, a project, or to use as a purse. We can't wait to see what you make, so be sure to share pictures of your finished projects with us. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube by using @PatternsByAnnie. Be sure too to enter our monthly photo contest. Thank you so much for watching. Happy stitching!